So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change flight on United Airlines. So first of all, go to united.com. This is the United Airlines website. Through here you can see book, flight status, check-in, and my trips. Once you are at my trips, you can see confirmation number, last name, find your travel credits, or you can just use the Mileage Plus site, and through there you'll be given the option on a particular booking you've created that you want to change that flight. Now there's a few rules you need to watch out for, and I'm just going to show you what United Airlines offers. So on here, you can go to my trips. As I said previously, click on the change flight once you see that option next to a flight that you've booked, and you can edit to update your flight and choose a new flight. Now you can do that also over the phone. You might be charged a fee, and your new flight must have the same departure and arrival airport, so most of the information has to be the same. Leave within 24 hours before or after your original flight, so make sure that you do this at the right time, and be operated by United or United Express, so their own airline. So you can't just change any flight to, let's say, Lufthansa or some other airline instead of United. So if the same day changes occur, so you want to change it on the same date, Premier members may be able to get another flight for free. If your original class isn't available, you may have to pay a price difference. All other travelers may be able to get another flight within 24 hours of the original flight. You may have to pay a price difference even if the same cabin is available, depending if that flight is leaving at a better time, so the ticket is more expensive. It really depends on when you want to change the flight. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on United or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Bye.